From your Quora Digest. GeoNode proxies. Follow. We know a thing or two about proxies. What can a hacker do with my public IP address? If a hacker knows your IP address, they can use it to seize very valuable information, including your location and online identity. With the help of this information, hackers can potentially hack your device, steal your identity, and more. Put hackers at the bay by using proxies to hide your identity. A proxy server is a computer system that performs as an intermediary in the request made by users. This type of server helps prevent an attacker from attacking the network and serves as a tool used to create a firewall. When you want to access a particular site, you are sending a web request, and these requests go to the proxy server first. This request will be evaluated by the proxy server and the request to the site will be forwarded to the web server on your behalf. When the proxy server forwards your web requests, it will make some changes to the data that you send, but still, get you the contents that you expected to receive. A proxy server will change the IP address so that the web server doesn't know the exact location. Some proxy servers will also encrypt the data using encryption computation, such as AES or RSA. Once the data is encrypted, it will be useless to others but not to the actual recipient of the data. How does a proxy server protect you? By improving privacy. Either users at home or at the office use a proxy server to browse the internet privately. The proxy server changes the IP address of the host computer and other information needed by the web upon request. This way the destination server doesn't know who made the actual request. These secure the personal information and browsing habit of an individual. By enhancing security, proxy servers provide security benefits aside from privacy benefits. Companies or individuals can configure their proxy server to encrypt web requests to keep information from snooping. Using proxy makes it impossible for malware sites to access because they will be filtered. For additional security, the company integrates its proxy server with a virtual private network (VPN). VPN on the other hand works on the OS level while proxies work on the application level. This means that remote users can access the internet through the company proxy. We hope this answer helps you with your query. Please hit the upvote button if you find this helpful.